Our top story, a Minneapolis neighborhood fed up with crime say a shooting caught on a Ring doorbell camera is the last straw. The man who was shot in the street is in the hospital fighting for his life.
And people who live near Lake Street and 14th Avenue South say they're tired of the shootings and other illegal activity. Lou Raguse spent time in the neighborhood today to hear their concerns. He joins us now. Hi, Lou.
Hi there. The neighborhood has been asking for a police surveillance camera to be installed on this block for the better part of the last year, and now they finally may get it.
In this doorbell camera video, an SUV seen on the right quickly pulls up from the alley, then a muzzle flash and gunshot. And on the portion of the screen we've blurred, a man who is walking on the street falls to the ground as the SUV squeals away.
You know, it was just really, I guess, traumatizing, you know.
Kiara Anzuris was one of the people who called 911. Her front row view to the aftermath, a culmination of what she says has been a year of lawlessness on her street.
You see prostitutes, drug deals, you literally see everything here, and it's just so weird.
This is the block of 14th Avenue South, just north of East Lake Street. Kiara's family has lived here for 19 years, most of which she says has been quiet, aside from fun celebrations on Lake Street. But beginning last summer, right outside her window, she says it's turned into daily, brazen, open-air drug dealing.
They even bragged about it to me, you know, they showed their money and they're like, you know what, like, I don't care what you say about us, I don't care what you think about us, like, I have all of this, like, in the end of the day, you know, this is where business is at because it's Lake Street.
Kiara and others on the block have been fighting for the Minneapolis Police Department to install a camera in hopes of breaking up the criminal activity, or at least pushing it away.
As long as it's not on our block, you know, I'm pretty sure they're gonna move to a different block, but if the camera can help us, we definitely appreciate it.
After what happened over the weekend, Kiara just longs for that feeling of what the neighborhood used to be.
This afternoon, police told me the shooting victim is still in tough shape in the hospital, but alive. No arrest in connection with the shooting yet. That intersection of 14th Avenue and Lake Street is on the list of areas for Minneapolis police to get a camera placed, they told me. Rena?
That's a tough situation for those folks living there. All right, thank you, Lou.